What are you doing? You got a big stick? Yeah, good guy. Welcome to another beautiful, barely spring day here in Ontario. I'm going out to harvest a few things just to make a tea. It's not like a full foraging expedition, but I thought I would bring you guys along just to show you and share with you a few of the medicinal benefits of really early, simple spring foraging. I'm going to be going hopefully to collect so we have black raspberries on the property, and I'm going to get a lot of the young spring leaves. They're already coming up all over the place, so now's a really good time. But yeah, grabbing the top of the young leaves. I'm going to dry a bunch of the leaves for teas, especially in the winter months when you want like something a little bit more fruity. It has a really great taste, and it's got a lot of medicinal benefits as well. So I'm going to get some of that, and yeah, we'll see what else we find. We've got a lot of really overgrown bushes growing right here, so I'm just going to grab a few of these like nice little baby top leaves. Those are the ones that kind of have the most flavorful punch right now. Yeah, and they make a really nice tea. And even though there are a lot of plants here, I hope it's kind of obvious. Oh. Even though there are a lot of plants here, I hope it's kind of obvious that I'm not taking a lot from any patch. Even though our property is kind of big, we've got about 7 acres, and it's just me that's going to be picking on these areas. But still, like, I don't want to take too much from the plant. I don't want to do anything that's really going to impede their growth in the future, because obviously I want them to grow well and we can get lots of berries from them in the future. And you know, just like with anything else, I don't want to be too rude to any other living creature. So you know, this is a plant that's trying to just do its own thing and live its own way, and so am I, so I don't want to mess with it too much, you know what I mean? We can make a mutual relationship happen here. So yeah, just my 2 cents on the issue. Very excited that we're going out for a walk. Okay, this is cute. You can totally tell where the turkeys and deer, these little highways that they use. Keep your eye out. They're all over the place. It's just nice to know, you know, got lots of neighbors. There's also a fair number of nettles growing in here, so figured, you know, I'm gonna pick some of those too. And this tea is turning out to be one of those things, you know, you just drink the tea that Mother Nature gives you. She's providing this stuff for us at this time of year that's ample to pick or whatever. And so that's, I don't know, some sort of lesson from Mother Nature, I feel like, is to just take what gifts you've got and learn to be in tune with what the earth is giving you. And yeah, good medicine comes from that. That's kind of just how I feel. Now, let's pick some of these nettles. And again, I'm just picking, I have gloves on because I hate getting stung by these guys. But I'm just picking the tops, the little tops of the itty bitty nettles, and they're going in with the raspberries, the raspberry leaves. Yeah, just a few. There is another little deer highway crossing the path right there. Can you see it? I don't actually know enough about mushrooms to really want to harvest any, but I'm going to take pictures of them so I can look it up and check back and see if I can, I don't know, at least try to identify some of them. But yeah, I really need to learn. Just like with any foraging, you really need to learn from someone local and experienced before you can really learn how to do it yourself. You know what I mean? Something about fallen logs. I always find the decay kind of beautiful, you know? It's all a process. Hey! Oh my gosh, look at all this. You found a bunch of wild ginger. That's fun. Look at all of that.
So this is ground ivy, and it's useful for mild lung problems, coughs, and bronchitis. People around the world use it for arthritis and joint pain or other stomach problems. And this lovely little guy is purple dead nettle. It's good for your kidneys and apparently has great benefits for relieving allergy symptoms. I've also got some cleavers and violets in there just for some additional benefits. Great for your respiratory system. Yeah, lots of stuff. The black raspberry leaves and the stinging nettles will give me some vitamins A, C, K, as well as several B vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium. Also really good with helping with allergies, and yeah.
So yeah, I think that's going to be all for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It just helps the channel a lot. And yeah, if you want to see a little bit of extras and behind the scenes, I've got some stuff going on Patreon. Yeah, if you're interested, no pressure, of course. Thank you, as always, for all of your love and support. And cheers, drink your tea, and take care of yourself and the planet as best you can. Sending you all my love. Bye. Oh, actually, not bad, not bad.